The beginning of the 7-year autumn, Webb Telescope reveals how seasons change on Saturn. Welcome to the Space Diary channel. Before watching, I want to ask you to help our channel by liking and subscribing. Scientists use the most powerful telescope to see how a 7-year autumn follows summer on Saturn. On Earth, there is a change of seasons because our planet rotates on an inclined axis, with each hemisphere receiving more or less sunlight as it orbits the Sun. It's the same with Saturn, although since it takes 29 Earth years for the planet to complete a full orbit around the Sun, each of the 4 seasons here lasts about 7 Earth years. Using the Webb Space Telescope, astronomers observe the cooling of the gas giant in late summer, caused by a change in the direction of airflows during the change of long seasons on Saturn. The results of the study were published in the journal Geophysical Research Planets. It so happened that summer has been in the northern hemisphere of Saturn since the Cassini spacecraft mission, which had been studying the planet with rings for 13 years, ended in 2017. No other spacecraft has ever observed late summer and early fall on Saturn, so astronomers used the Webb Space Telescope to do so. The scientists wanted to see what happens when one season changes to another. The new study allowed scientists to measure the temperature of Saturn's atmosphere and see the presence of gases and chemicals, as well as clouds in the upper part of the planet's atmosphere. The 6th planet from the Sun has almost the same axis tilt as the Earth. While our planet's is 23.5 degrees, the gas giant's is 26.7 degrees. At the end of summer, Saturn's northern hemisphere tends to get colder, and the Webb telescope observed huge air currents changing their direction. The telescope also observed Saturn's north pole, which will soon become invisible to scientists as the long winter sets in. The new infrared images allowed scientists to measure the temperature on Saturn. In the image below, the blue area shows high temperatures, and a 1,500 kilometers wide polar cyclone was recorded at this location. According to scientists, the temperature level and the presence of gases in Saturn's stratosphere now differ from those seen by the Cassini spacecraft during its mission, when it was winter and spring in Saturn's northern hemisphere. The Webb Space Telescope is so sensitive to light that it had to be pointed only at tiny parts of Saturn at any given time to prevent overloading its instruments. The infrared images were combined with visible light images taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. According to the scientists, the quality of the new data is simply amazing. In a short time of observations, they were able to obtain information about the new season on Saturn by observing how weather conditions and atmospheric circulation react to changes in sunlight. The Webb telescope is often considered an astrophysics tool, but new data show that it can be indispensable in the field of planetary astronomy as well. Scientists have used the Webb telescope to launch a series of observations of all 4 giants of our solar system. New images of Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune are waiting for us in the future. Was this video interesting for you? Please share your opinion in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for more interesting videos.